Well, hey there, my friends. Welcome to my channel, InknWhimsy. I'm Laura Daniels, and I'm so glad you decided to spend a little bit of your time with me today. We are filming a second video in my series called Scrapbooking 101, and it's where we take one of close to my heart's recent, just released cut above kits for scrapbooking, and we assemble it together. And then we do the second part of the video where I use different embellishments and I create a twist. So I think this is a fun new series. Y'all really enjoyed the first one, and this is the second one. So before we unbox the first one, which is in the September-October catalog, we're going to unbox it and go through it. I want to show you what we did last month. This is, I started with the starter floral bundle, and it's for scrapbooking, and you get this beautiful everyday life album. And I want to show you the first one we put together, and it's called the Starter Cut Above Layout Kit. You can either get this one, or you can start off with this one right here, which has a travel theme to it, Wonderful World. And with this one, if you get this starter bundle, you get the alpha set. If you get the floral starter bundle, you get the floral sticker set. But both of them come with a tape runner, a stamp block, you get some ink, and you get a black lapel pin. All right, so this is what we did as our first video of the series. I put the I put the scrapbook layout together with you. I changed it a twitch. I almost just couldn't help myself. Almost doesn't even fit in the camera, does it? So this was part A. Part B was me adding my twist on it. So we're going to be doing the same thing today. So I'm going to clear this away. I'm going to bring out the kit we're going to unbox. So let's see what comes in this kit, and it's combined, so we're going to see both of them, but we're only going to put together the September, and you can find them in the September-October catalog, and they're right here on page 3. We're going to be putting this one together right here, but you'll also see parts of this in the kit because they both come together. Alrighty, so let's unbox it. It's kind of like Christmas time. So let's see what we have in here. Alright, so you always get your instruction sheet. And the instruction sheet, I mean, it's very easy to put together, but it is for both of them. So if you do one a month, like this is September and this is October's cut above kit, you just hold on to this so you'll have it. You get your page protectors, which are awesome quality. And you have enough so that you have your 2 double page layouts, and it's real good quality here. It's a nice thick plastic so it doesn't tear and come apart real easy. All right, so you always get your photo placement cards, or you could always choose to cut down your photo so that you have a white border, and then they always give you the photo mounts for different places on the 2 different layouts here. So we have those. Let's move this over. I'm trying to stay as best I can. All right, then you get your sticker sheet. Now, obviously, these are for the first layout we're going to do. See how it has the number 1? And then you have number 2 next to all the stickers that go with the second layout. Again, good quality stickers. Then here are your punch outs, and they come out so easily. I'm just punching I go to punch it out and it's not coming out real easy. That is, what is that called? Murphy's Law? But they come out very easily. But that was just like, okay, if it was going to happen, that's how it would happen, right? All right, so let's see. Here is the first layout that you would put together. Is that in the camera? I'll have to raise the camera when I'm actually assembling them. And then you have the next one, and it goes like this. Here we go. Here we go. I love the colors in this one. I love the colors in both of them. And these colors go with that. Isn't that interesting? Lots of potential here. All right, my friends, I'm going to clear this out of the way, and we're going to get started on the first one. Alrighty, well, I'm excited to see how this is going to come together. So let's have some fun. So we're going to read the directions. It says gather all your pieces. So we've done that. We've just kept the stickers attached. And then there's a note. Oh, look, it says, Laura, this is close to my heart. Do not attach adhesive along the bottom because you're going to need to put something underneath it. Oh, they must have been watching my videos where they know I do that. A lot. Oh my gosh. I do it a lot. Okay, here we go. And it is about 2.5 down. So we're going to go right here. I think that looks good. Here we go. We're going. We're laying it down. There we go. And then we're going to put this pretty pink down, and I am only attaching pretty much in the down the middle. That way I can attach anything and stick anything under wherever it needs to go. Then it said to attach this piece right here. Look at the pretty stripes on that. I love it. All right, so this is going to go, I want this over a little bit more, don't I? All right, we're going to go like this. I like that better. Actually, they have everything a little further over that way, don't they? All right, so now we're going to put this you and me. We're going to stick this right under here. And I want it extended a little bit more. There we go. And this is where Close to My Heart gave me that message, because this needs to be tucked underneath. They have to just add these little notes. And we're going to put this right here. Alrighty. And then there is, you know what, I want to put the photo mats down, because this is going to go here. So whoever I give this to, they're going to know where their photo goes. And I will go back and stick all this down more securely. Well, this is just looking adorable. All right, now look at these flags right up here. They are, let me grab it. The orange is in the middle, and it's sticking up a little higher than the rest. It's going to go right there. And then we have the pink on the right. But I don't know that this really makes a difference. Right, left. Here's my yellow. See how easy this is to put together? My goodness. And, you know, while you're putting it together, your mind's just going like, oh, I could do this a little differently. I could do this. I could add this. All right. So now we're going to stick down. I'm going to do this a little differently. Well, no, I'm not. Yeah, I am. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. Oh my gosh. Relax, Laura. Relax. Relax. I'm going to put this right here. And then we have our sticker. And they used the pink heart. And this is what I want to do. I have changed my mind. We're going to put the sticker right there. And we're going to put a dimensional on the back of this one. Now all we have to do, oh my gosh, this is adorable. Now what we do, I'm checking to make sure it has been recording, is we need to add our florals, and they've used this, they've used one of the leaves, and this one right here. So I would think maybe we won't stick these down permanently. Well, we know this is going to go about right there, but I won't stick it because y'all know me. All right, here's the flower, about right there. And then we have this piece. Oh, this just looks adorable. I have to say, I really like it. I like it. And this goes under here, and they have it underneath. So we're going to do it like they have it, and we're going to lay it down. All right, friends, that is the first side done. I think it's really cool looking. Now we're going to look over on this side. And you wouldn't think red, pink, green would all go together, but they're making it work here, aren't they? All right, so let's see what we got going on over here. We have, are there any more instructions for Laura Daniels here? All right, let's see. They have us putting down this square about right there, and I did leave room so that I could put this circle down underneath. I'm seeing options for this circle for my layout. I'm kind of excited. And then this little cutout where you would put the date for your whole layout, we're going to put this right here. Okay, and then our photo placement card, and that's going to go right there. All right, so there we go. Let's do our next photo placement card, and it's going to go right here. I mean, you could have on your favorite podcast, watching your favorite TV show, because these do not take a lot of brain work. I mean, you could probably do this on 1 cup of coffee. I know how a lot of us are, like we need the coffee, right? I think this could safely be done without having to have 3 cups of coffee in the morning and it have your undivided attention, because it's yours, right? So if you are not, if you don't do it exactly the way it shows, as long as you use up all the pieces and it makes you happy, then girl, that's all you do, in my opinion. I know. All right, we're going to put these 2 photo placements down. We are already almost done. And at the end of the year, you're going to have an album with a minimum 12 double page scrapbook layouts. All right, so this goes down here. Let's put this down, because the last thing we do is add our florals and that 1 heart. And I want this right here. Okay. And then we need our love. Okay. So this is going to go here. I want the red showing. I like the red showing. All right, and then we're going to put this right here. Now, you see how the photo, it's going to be covering whoever puts their photo in here. So I am only going to put tape roller on that side. That way they'll be able to easily fit the photo underneath. All right, there we go. Now we need our heart sticker that goes up here. Okay, and then we have, now this is what I was thinking for this, because it's going to need to go over the photo, and I want to be able to give this as a gift, right? So you can see it's these 2 leaves right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm not sure how this is going to work. I'm going to cut right along the sticker. This could be a very bad idea, but maybe it'll work, because it's such an easy cut, right? And this, watch me mess this up, because already I'm going, what am I doing? Someone tell me what I'm doing. Okay, so all right, I want to go, gosh, don't cut the sticker. Let's see, it's only these 2, they're going to be over the photo, so I want to go like that, right? Is that not right? I'm asking you, is that not right? Okay, so look. All right, gosh, I started to sweat thinking I had really messed it up. All right, so this is going to go like this. I had you guys worried too. All right, unstick that. I knew there was going to be one point where I stuck something I shouldn't have stuck it. Okay, see that? Look at that. I actually did know what I was doing. Y'all need to have more faith in me. All right, so here we go. We have this down. I'm not going to fully stick it because we have one more embellishment to add. This pretty little sticker. And c'est voila. It is done. All right. Boy, that's pretty. I love it. I love it. What an easy, fun scrapbook page. And it's all set to either give as a gift or for you to put photos in it later. Alrighty, now I'm going to pause it. I'm going to gather my wits, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's to come. So don't go anywhere. So I've given this some thought, and I'm real excited the twist that I'm going to add to this layout. And I'm giving you a sneak peek now, so you'll make sure that you're looking for my video when it comes up next week, where I'm going to do this layout right here, but with a twist. So let me give you a peek of what I'm using. This is my storage album for all of my photos. I went through boxes and boxes, and I separated them all based on either the holiday, the event that was taking place, so I can look through these whenever I have a kit in front of me. And I was, strumming through it, and I found these photos right here. Me, my sister, my mom had gone on a girls' trip, and we were down in Myrtle Beach. Look at how pretty these are going to go. Look at these. Now, there's a whole bunch of photos, and they're all 4x6, so I'm going to have to get creative with the layout and cropping my photos. I've chosen these two colors that I'm going to use, flamingo and sage, because I need to work with what I have. And I'm going to use these two different stamp sets. The first one is called Pretty Posies. It was in the last catalog, and I thought I'd color some of these florals and make some bouquets. And then this is in this current catalog, September and October, and it's called Design Elements. And I was thinking of using these behind some of the florals. So I'm excited. Make sure that you're looking for the video that comes up next week so you can see Scrapbooking 101 cut above with a twist. Let me know what you think of this kit on its own and what you would use it for, a celebration or a holiday. And until we meet again, God bless. Have an incredible day, and stay tuned for some still shots of this spread right here. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.